Well, folks, I found some corn seeds growing in a tray and figured I'd give them a second chance. You see, they look pretty limp and bad, but I got this secret sauce in here. See that stuff there? That's the secret sauce. And we're going to try these, give them some life. That's corn. 3 to 4 plants per bag. Now, in a few days, these are going to come to life. See how they're yellowing? I'm going to keep an eye on that because that's my indicator. Tell me what they're doing. You can always use the leaf of a plant to directly communicate with you. There we go. Alright, that's it. The secret sauce. Might as well give my grapevine some secret sauce too. It's doing real good. The last one of its kind on my property called the Neptune. I'm not trying to buy another one. These things done went up to $25 a piece. That's just a small piece I stuck in the dirt. And it grew out. I'm going to make multiple plants with that one plant. This one here, I got growing in the tree. That's a black or red grape. It's growing up through this tree here. See the leaves up here? Got that from food files permaculture, that idea. Got them growing up through there. Fed them good. They're all through the top of the tree now. It's in a matter of a month. Right there, there's one. Right there, there's leaf on it. It is going up the trunk, a second one, third one actually. Grapevines growing in the tree with the apples. This is the Morning Gardener.